Hello people, how you doing? It's Chris Graham here for We Love Betting. Again, I'm sorry you must be sick of the sight of me after all my Cheltenham videos this week. And now Polish football, which of course is my forte, is my love. And good week last week, made up for the previous 2 weeks. The nap came in, Legia Warsaw beating Poblacic, and the other three bets that I tweeted about came in as well at 14-5 and 13-5. So it was a great week. I've got my confidence back when it comes to all things Ekstraklasa. And unbelievably, I think it's the best coupon I've ever seen this week in Ekstraklasa. There's 6 bets that I'm written down that I'm going to be getting involved with this weekend. I'll be tweeting them all out, so follow me if you want to maybe get a winning tip. But the one that I like the most is not the shortest price. In fact, it's 9-5. I'm feeling that confident and I'm going for that at 9-5. And it's the game on Saturday afternoon at 2:45 kickoff between Widzew Łódź and Zagłębie Lubin. And this is all about a team on the way down against a team on the way up. It's as simple as that. Let's start with the team going down first, who obviously I ain't tipping, and that's Widzew Łódź. They kicked off the season in spectacular fashion, 4 wins in a row, top of the table in mid-September. People thinking, what is going on here? This is a relegation candidate. But since then it's all gone wrong. Since match day 5, since September the 16th, they've won just 2 games this season in Ekstraklasa. Just 1 win in the last 10, and 6 of those last 10 games have been defeats. If you look at the spring round form, because of course the season has just resumed again, we've played three weeks of the season so far after the winter break, and they've picked up just 1 point from 9. They lost 2-1 to Slons, lost 3-0 to Ruk, and last week they drew 0-0 with the bottom team, GKS Bełchatów. No other team has picked up fewer spring round points than Widzew Łódź, just 1 point from 9. They've gone from top of the table in September to 12th now. So really struggling, and perhaps they might get sucked into this relegation battle. Who knows? They're up against Zagłębie Lubin on Saturday, a team very much on the way up. They have the best spring round form. I just told you about Łódź's terrible spring round form. Lubin's spring round form is superb. 7 points from 9 so far since the winter break ended. They beat Pogoń 3-0. They beat Jagiellonia 2-1. Jagiellonia beat Górnik the week before, and they got a draw against the informed Piast Gliwice. They're unbeaten in 8 generally. They've just picked up 1 defeat in the last 10 games. They've had 7 wins in the last 10 games. You have to go back to mid-October for the last time they failed to score. Very much a team to be on the side of at the moment, and I'm definitely on their side on Saturday. I'm backing them to beat Widzew Łódź away from home at odds of 9-5 with Bet365. That's good enough for me. Come on, Zagłębie.